because when people are saying they're getting too much email, it's because they're getting too much email that's not relevant to what they're interested in.
Yeah. I'm trying to weigh our marketing in our in-product marketing. We have like
Hmm.
pop-ups and stuff like that in our product
Yeah.
versus email, because we backed off emails because a lot of people said you guys are sending too many emails, right? We had some of our customers saying stop sending us every week, right? Stuff every single week, right? And so it's been balancing all of that versus in product because they don't want too many pop-ups in there. And so, but we have all this new product and we're trying
Yeah.
to show off, we have like
Mm.
five new courses, whatever. So trying to show all this stuff off, but at the same time, it's like people don't want to be inundated.
I would leverage preference management more if you can, right? Because when people are saying they're getting too much email, it's because they're getting too much email that's not relevant to what they're interested in.
Yeah.
So if you can sort of say what courses have they taken in the past and then relate those to what they might be interested in the future, or
Yeah.
at very least, you can even have a preference that says, I only want to get email once a month. And you could have people who are like monthly email people and people who don't care
Hmm.
continue to email them every week because maybe it is relevant for them and they do want to get that information. Don't assume because somebody else says it's too much. I mean, in consumer marketing, right, you'll get 15 emails from the Gap at the holiday season in one day,
Yep.
and the Gap has a lot of data to go from, right? So does Walmart, so does Amazon. These companies have tons and tons of data, and they email us multiple times a day, every single day. So there's no such thing as too much email if the user wants to receive that message. So it's more about targeting for you than volume. I know making more emails is more work for you, so I don't want to tell you have to do more work,
It's okay.
but I think segmentation could be really helpful in making maybe better use of that and allowing users to manage their preferences more, like putting a big like manage preferences call to action at the bottom of your
Mhm.
email and let them pick what they care about. If they say nothing, continue to email them because it's all probably relevant. And then, you can also behaviorally look at what have they been interested in products in the past and sort of do some
Mhm.
targeting that way as well with like tags or something in MailChimp.